Hey guys, it's your girl Quoia Renae, and I'm back with another video. So as you all can see, I am weave free, y'all. Ain't no sewing today. And I just wanted to show you all how I get my curly puff when I wear my natural hair out. Listen, y'all, it don't just automatically come like this. I have to do a little maintenance. So if you all want to see how I make my curls pop and how I get these curls all together, then stay tuned for the video. Be sure to like, comment, thumbs this video up, y'all. I already said that. I don't know why I'm saying it again, but that just means you better be liking this video and sharing it too. So without further ado, ladies and gents, let's get into the video. Alright, you guys, so I washed my hair the night before and I put my hair in 4 big dookie braids. So now I'm just taking down these braids, y'all, and preparing for this high puff. And I like to stray away from the heat, guys, so I usually just put my hair in braids just so it can be stretched a little bit. Now I'm just going to take my wide tooth comb and comb out my hair. Y'all see this afro looking crazy, honey, but I'm going to start to comb my hair up so it can be ready to form the high puff. Y'all, this stuff is some kinky stuff, y'all. So if y'all have hair that is similar to mine, where your hair only be curly only when it's freshly conditioned, this is the purpose of this video, to get those curls back. Now I'm going to take my main choice gel and my spray bottle, and what I'm going to do is just spray the perimeter of my hair and just prepare to lay that main choice gel down. You must spray your hair for the main choice gel to work, and even when you spray your hair, the main choice gel still doesn't really work that well, y'all. I got I got some thick hair, and even Eco Styler gel doesn't work that much. So I've originally tried Eco Styler gel and that still didn't really work for me either. But anyways, y'all, this main choice gel has a very kind of slimy wet consistency, but I'm just going to place it everywhere on the perimeter of my hair. Well, it's going to be placed everywhere pretty much, so I'm just going to place that around my edges in my nape area so we can prepare to form this high puff. Also, y'all, if y'all have any gels that work for transitioning or natural hair that works for thick hair, y'all let me know in the comment section. Like, put your girl up on game because I need some help. So then I'm going to take my dimming brush, y'all, and I'm just going to smooth around my edges and my nape area, and then I'm going to go in with a bristle brush as well. So because that main choice gel does not work all that well by itself, I'm going to take some of my Edge Control by Design Essentials, and I'm just going to place that everywhere that I place that main choice gel. So now I'm going to go in with my bristle brush, you guys, and I'm going to sort of start to curve my hair, form the little curvage, because I hate for my when I put my hair in high puffs for my hair to just be slick straight back. That just doesn't fit my face. I have a chunky face, so I need my edges to kind of curve a little bit, y'all. So I'm just going to smooth around my edges, sort of curving it a little bit. And I don't know if I was rough too much or something, y'all, but I broke the brush. I done broke the brush. See, this is what having thick hair get y'all. Y'all consider when y'all want to be natural. But I'm still keep working with it. I'm gonna take my hair tie and I'm going to take my wide tooth comb and further comb my hair out, and then I'm going to place that hair tie around the back of my hair. I'm going to cross the hair tie. I'm going to move some of that heat damaged hair out the way. It just gets on my nerves, y'all. I want to chop it up. I want to chop it off, but I'm going to take my time with it. I'm going to bring the hair tie up in the back, and then I'm going to bring it up on the sides as well. And then once I'm done with that, I'm just going to pull. and you're pulling based on how big you want your puff. If you like your puff to be big, then you're only going to pull a little bit. If you like for your puff to be small, you're going to pull a lot. I like for my puff to be around like a medium-ish type puff, so I'm not going to pull that much, but I'm going to pull just enough to my liking that fits my chunky pretty face. And I am going to tie it around in the back and create a knot and hide the strings. So y'all see this puff, you can leave it like this if you want to, but I like for my hair to have curls in it. I don't like for it to just be left like this. So what I'm going to do is take my straw. Yes, I said a straw, honey. Use the tools that you have in your house. I'm going to take my water bottle, I'm going to spray the shaft of my hair, and then I'm going to smooth it out with that main choice gel. Now some people can just leave it like this and it'll just curl up, you know, they wrap it around their finger and leave a curl, but my curl flimsy. It's flimsy. So what I'm going to do, y'all, is I'm going to take that straw and then I'm going to wrap my hair around that straw, so something sort of to if I was using a wand curl. And then I'm just going to smooth it around that straw, you guys, and then I'm going to slide the straw up, and then there you have it. You got a curl, honey. Yes, yes. Okay, y'all, I'm so silly. So then once I'm done with that, I'm just going to do it a couple more times for you all so that you all can see what I'm doing. And I like to do this method, y'all, because you know how I said in the beginning that when you condition your hair, it stays curly. And some people's hair can just naturally remain curl when they put water and the main choice gel on it. And my hair does that sometimes, but I like for my curl to really look really defined. So that is the purpose of the straw. So another thing I just wanted to add, ladies, that if you are still getting any relaxers of any kind, your hair, I'm just be honest, your hair is not going to look cute in a puff. Like, it's not. Relaxers usually make your hair really straight, and when you're natural or when you're transitioning like myself, you have a lot of more thick hair, so it's better for you to be able to form a puff. So I remember when I first started to transition, you guys, I wanted to put my hair in a puff so bad, but I couldn't because my hair was just way too thin. I had to transition my hair. And as you all can see towards the front of my puff, I still suffer from some heat damage. And I have a trick for that, guys, to blend in that heat damaged hair with your naturally curly or naturally kinky hair. So the special trick, you all, is nothing amazing. It's just a perm rod. You have to use these perm rods to blend in your heat damaged hair with your natural curly hair, y'all, and it's going to blend in perfectly. Once you let it dry and set, it's going to blend in just fine with the rest of your hair. And I also got these perm rods from the beauty supply store. You can also get them on Amazon. You can get them in the smaller, I would like to get them in the smaller size because the smaller size blends in well with your other curls. You can get whatever size that you want, but I just prefer the smaller size if you want it to blend in with the other curls. Also, guys, it gets really messy trying to do this method, wetting your hair and blending it in with the gel. It gets your hands and nails really messy. And also, y'all, my nails are not dirty, but I just recently rinsed my hair out with a jet black rinse, and then the hair dye got in my hands and my nails, and so that's why it looks like that. I had to get that red out my hair. I just didn't want a red middle part of my hair looking crazy, y'all, so that's why it looks like that. Also, y'all, my arms were hurting so bad. I was so happy to be done. Like, I could have made those last two pieces of my hair be into two perm rods, but I just wanted to get finished so bad. I just said, let me conjoin both of them. So guys, I did not take these perm rods out immediately after I put them in. I actually let these perm rods sit in my hair for about 4 to 5 hours, and now I'm just unraveling the perm rods out of my hair. So once you're done unraveling the perm rods, your hair gonna look a little stiff, a little and a little scary. But what you're gonna do is you're gonna take some oil so that once you unravel the curls, that they won't be as frizzy. But I like for mine to be a little bit frizzy because I think it looks a lot better and a lot more natural. And what I'm just gonna do is just unravel my curls. So once I'm done with unraveling my curls, I'm just going to feel around the puff just to make sure that I didn't leave any curls out. And then what I'm going to do is take the tie off because I'm actually going to redo my puff. I'm going to take my wide tooth comb and I'm just going to start to lift my hair from the roots. And the reason that I'm doing that is just to add extra volume to your hair, because when you first do the curls, your hair is going to look like it's sort of shrunk a little bit, and this is just going to add that volume back to your hair. So then I'm just going to take my hair tie and I'm going to do the same thing that I did in the beginning. Lift the hair tie up in the back around the sides and then just pull the string to my liking, to the size that I would like for my puff to be. Then I'm going to go back in with that wide tooth comb and just lift my hair some more to give it some more volume. I hope you all enjoyed this video. This is the finished look. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. I love you all so much, and stay tuned for my next video.